Banks. Like that host plus one. Wow, I love that plus one. I like it. Tony Banks. You're the best, Tony Banks. Tony Banks. Thank you so much, Tony Banks. Tony Banks. Si Tony Banks. So, I will put Tony Banks here into my entry. Okay, wait a second, Tony Banks. Okay. You're welcome, host. Thank you, Tony Banks. Tony Banks. Tony Banks. Here, their heart, Tony Banks. Bless Sunday. Yes, bless. Oh, guy, I didn't know today is Sunday. Oh my gosh. I thought today is Monday. Oh my goodness. Yes, I thought today is Monday. Look here, Tony Banks here. Oh my gosh, I'm really old. Just joking. But yeah, and yes, here. Shout out to everyone. Yes, yeah, I really don't know that. I thought today is Monday. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Sometimes when you think, I'm going, I want to tell you about also cooking. We're doing a Zumba later at next week, Wednesday at 7. No, 6:30. I want to do Zumba, and I want to try to video it, but I want to upload there in the motorbike adventure. Kahapon Valentine's Day host. Yeah, I know, but I used to the date for Canadian. Yeah, may count this a Canadian. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow is today is 15, but in Canada is still Valentine's. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was so excited because I'm going to Zumba, and you can see me there. And I want to ask Leticia, because sometimes when you do a music and they tell you, oh, you have what they call this, uh, what they call this, copyright. And I don't like that, but copyright. But I will put into my maybe I will live into my motorbike adventure. Yeah, because I want. Nako, sus, hindi mag-sexy kasi kasi minsan sa atin yung tiyan talaga ang lalaki, 'di ba? Lumalaki talaga ang tiyan lalo na pagkakain ka ng maraming rice. It's so hard to get but whatever I eat, I tell you, I don't get big. I'm still slim and skinny. Yeah, I don't know why. But I don't eat a lot though. Uh, Morning, sometimes I eat only bread. Sometimes I don't eat. Afternoon, I eat rice, but not lots. It's very little. And if dinner also the same. Sometimes I eat, sometimes I don't eat. But I eat rice, but yeah, only a little because it's so hard to adjust yourself after. It's so hard to get exercise. Like sometimes you don't feel to get up and you don't feel to do nothing. Yeah, that's why it's so hard. It is very hard to reduce your weight because I don't know why. Because sometimes I'm not saying that I'm not saying that I what it was went out some others. No, it's not like that. We just I know we love to eat, but sometimes this is my own. I don't point out on somebody else, but this is my own. This is my own only, okay? I'm not pointing somebody else or like this again. No, it's myself that I really don't. I cannot stand it because I feel right away a heavy, heavy. Like I feel heavy myself if I eat lots of rice. I, I don't know why, and I can't stand it. You know, because rice lots of carbohydrates. That's why I don't I can. Yeah, but when parang Daimitse, hindi ka na nagsalita dyan. Naka-entry ka na marami. Oh, iwan ko kung how many now there. Lots, see? Lots, lots, lots. Lots. See here? I want to show you, okay? Lots tayo. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. See? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Because Ike is here. 20, 20 times 2 is 40. 40. Hey, my dear Ike. My dear Ike is here. My dear Ike, welcome to the channel. Welcome to our channel. Ike, how are you? You are off today? Ike. Si Ike is here. Tony Banks, welcome. Congratulations sa mga pili. Yes, that's true. That's true, Dai. Tony Banks. Oh my gosh, here. Yeah, here, here, here. Here, you are off today, Dai. I, harang, harang, harang. Welcome. Ike. Yes, guys. Yes, but remember, when we start also later, 7:45, you still have last entry, 7:45, okay? 7:45, you still have last entry, yeah. Because you know that, Daimichi, dancing Daimichi, oh. Daimichi, 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 yes. And also, I have, um, wow, thanks to everyone. Yeah, I will use my okay, I want to buy a gift thing. I want to try it as 99. Oh, that's a lot of money here. Oh my gosh, lots of money. Lots of money for my give a hug from the snow. The Ike, what's up, the Ike? The Ike, I want to do. Oh yes, he asked me if I can do StreamYard. I can do a StreamYard later because my 20 hours coming back for the StreamYard. So I will invite you who wants to join me into my StreamYard, okay? I will invite who wants to join my StreamYard. Yeah, my nose is itchy. That's why I do like this. Yeah. And who joins me for my StreamYard, you will receive uh, you will receive also a membership from me, okay? Or another Miss my Miss I CG CHG is already a member for me. Yeah. Don't worry about others, okay? We are still good because you support me. I love you all. Yeah, I love you all. You're the best. Michi Manalo is always support me. Ads. Ha ha ha. Love you. See, my nose is so itchy. You know, I have my. Ah, wait a minute. I need to take my. Yeah, thanks for the horror. I will be loyal for you. Yeah, I will be loyal for you for my membership. I will be automatically your membership. Okay. And my yes, I am your loyal membership. Uh, YT. Michi Manalo is also a very good supporter. Michi is always here. I don't know if ads. Thank you, Leticia. Because I know also who is the person that loyal. Even if I'm a little YouTuber, I don't care. At least I still have my salary from YT because I have also a very good supporter from Yoki, Kimi to Go, and yeah, I have lots. I have also another supporter, Brad Palmer from Canada, and also I know I keep that in my mind who is a very loyal, yeah, loyal. For example, I can see like Michi Manalo always there, Kimi Togo always there, Brad Palmer always there. Now I also see at Leticia. Then now I have my Ike, and sometimes I give also membership to somebody like this if I feel. But I have a loyal, yeah, I have a loyal because we need also to keep a loyal supporter, yeah, into our heart, yeah. That you can yeah, like because sometimes they're very good to advise you, like they're like this, oh, like this, like to we feel comfortable, yeah. Yeah, so that's the one. It's nice if I do a StreamYard because Ike is here. I because she told me. Then next time, Dam, when I open it, and maybe tonight, Dai, give me a chance, Dai. Come to my Gcash later, okay? Because I guarantee Leticia is here, also Michi Manalo, and others that who wants to come up. I really appreciate it if you do, yeah. I have also the bud. The buds is always also support me here. The buds from USA, and I know that Pulzilla also come here to always support me. Pulzilla and George Chavarria, Juanita, yeah, Juanita also supporting me, and they have also. Hey, Gina Marie! Oh, Gina Marie, her she have another entry. Si Gina Marie. Gina Marie. Oh, Gina, you have plenty. Gina Marie is here. Thank you, thank you. So Gina Marie, don't forget the likes. I need to write it down this because you know why I check also this. I check also this into my book because this is very important. Yeah. Thank you, Dai. Thank you. Gina Marie, shout out to Gina Marie here. Gina Marie, Leticia, Michi Manalo. Yes. It's very important, guys. Before I forgot, please connect to Ike, okay? Please connect to each other. Gina Marie, Ike, Leticia, Michi Manalo is only supportive. uh, Nelda Basilio, you can support her. Nelda Basilio, if you want, if you like, please connect each other before I forget, because they have last year that they have also a legit, yeah. Ike is this is her um, channel. She have a big channel. Please connect, guys. We have only 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes left for us. So I'm finished soon. Yeah. So Gina Marie, you're so lucky that you are. I know you have another. Your Gina, your your other thing. Don't forget to likes. Okay, but please also don't forget to comment because I will edit this and I will transfer. Uh, Harang, yeah. After this, I will edit. Hey, Romel. Hala, Romel. Romel. Oh, yes, that one. Yeah. Don't forget to, don't forget, because that's your, also your, yes, guys. Yeah, Romel Marie. Yes, guys. Don't forget to comment. After this, don't forget to comment because you have another entry there, okay? After I edit this and also the here, huh? After this, you comment. Please comment, guys, because I will get another entry there into this thing. No, because we're having fun. Yeah, there. We're having fun. So here now, I want fun, like enjoy. I want to enjoy. Yeah. I want to enjoy our life ba. Life is so short. We need to enjoy to our. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Tony Banks is already. Tony Banks, Romeo, Gina, ICJ. Yeah, I want to please if who have here what it calls like the legit one, the legit that when we are live, right, tonight 7:45, we have a StreamYard. Okay, we have a StreamYard, and if who wants to come up as a what do you call this, who wants to come up into our StreamYard, what do you call this, you are also another, you receive also another entry. Yeah. And others that they don't want to come up, you are okay. Okay. And I hope you enjoy it. And thank you so much. And I love you all. See you later. Bye.